We save around 35 hours per week using Unleashed, which equates to around 15% of our admin costs. Furthermore, we've reduced our stock outs by about 50% and our overstock by about 30%. Hi, I'm Scott Howe. I'm the IT Systems Manager here at Hilditch Key in Kent, UK. Well, the company was formed in 1899, so I wasn't here then, but it was formed by Charles F. Hilditch and W. Graham Key. Our target customers are men of the ages of 30 to 65. We have a shop in Jerwyn Street and also in Paris. We generally sell worldwide though. We had a few inventory related problems. Firstly, we had out of stock issues whereby customers were purchasing online for stock products that we didn't have. Our secondary inventory related problem we had was overstocking products. The inventory system that we used before Unleashed was SAP by design. This had lots of inefficient areas in the business and didn't integrate very well with our finance system or our point of sale systems. We started investigating cloud-based software as a service inventory management systems. We came across an alternative to Unleashed, but didn't quite fit the bill. We wanted something that integrated well with our point of sale system and our finance system. Did some more research and found that Unleashed ticked all the boxes. We use Unleashed for many business processes, from tracking sales and reporting on gross profit margin to our annual stock takes. One of the business processes that Unleashed has helped out with is the creation of new products. Previously, we took a long time creating new products, importing data, but with Unleashed's easy-to-use templates, it's so much faster. There are many features within Unleashed that we find crucial. For example, Unleashed has bin location functionality, which allows our warehouse team to easily pick our e-commerce orders. I would definitely recommend Unleashed, but not to our competitors. I don't want them having the same advantages that we do.